In this multiple choice question from the given option, they are directing us to specify in which way parasympathetic neural signal controls the heart. For that, let me understand the various type of neural tract responsible for controlling the heart function. In this particular flow chart, if the parasympathetic neural signal activity is less, heart rate increases, so that cardiac output is increasing. If the sympathetic neural activity is very high, stroke volume is also increasing, cardiac output is also increasing. With this specification, we are choosing option A as the correct answer. Why? Because parasympathetic neural tract always reduces the heart rate and cardiac output, unlike sympathetic neural tract. Both sympathetic and parasympathetic neural tract are a type of autonomous nervous system. With all this specification, we are giving furthermore supportive point to specify the option A is a correct answer. Heartbeat regulation in which way it is happening in the neural system regulation sector. The two regulatory center in the middle oblongata are accelerator center. It works by activating the sympathetic nervous system SNS, which raises the heart rate through adrenaline or epinephrine release. Depressor center is because of the acetylcholine impact. That means acetylcholine is secreted by the parasympathetic nervous system, which allows its action in the neural tract. So parasympathetic nervous system lowers the heart rate, action potential conduction velocity, and hence the cardiac output is also coming down because of the parasympathetic activity. So we are choosing option A as a correct answer to secure 4 mark after ignoring option B, C and D.